Good morning, students. This is our English class. Okay? In English, today we are going to read the topic THEIR. That is there. What I told? THEIR. This is the pronunciation THEIR. There. What we say? THEIR. There. There means belongs to that persons. Okay? Belongs to somebody. Okay? We use to denote that the things belongs to somebody or some peoples. Okay? Suppose I am here. Okay? I am here. And this book belongs to me. Okay? So you are saying, not me. You are saying that this is madam and this is her book. Okay? One people. If one people. But more than one, when more than one people are there and the things belongs to them, then we use THEIR there. Okay? More than one, then we denote there. Again I am saying, when there is plural. Okay? Suppose two girls are there. Okay? Two girls are there. Two girls. Okay? These are the two girls. Okay? They are standing one place. Okay? But in the playground, they had kept their balls. Okay? Two balls are there. Two balls are there. Okay? And these two girls have kept it in the garden. Okay? These two girls has kept the ball in the garden. So, how you can say, you are watching and you say, these are girls. What you will say? These are girls, plural. And things belong to them. I have already told you. We denote there when things belong to who? The peoples. So, we say, these are their balls. These are their balls. What I have said? These are their. Okay? These are their balls. Their means things belong to some peoples. Okay? For denoting that we use THEIR there. Understand? For denoting that we use THEIR there. Okay? So what we will say? We say these are girls. Okay? I tell to any friends and say these are girls. These are girls. Okay? And by seeing this ball, I am pointing out these are their THEIR, their ball. Okay? No, sorry, balls. These are their balls. Understand? Again listen. When persons are in plural, not singular, not one. Okay? Okay, more than one. Girls, boys, men, okay? Dogs, cats, elephants, tigers, and the another things, any things belong to them. They have kept it. So that thing we say, these are their things, balls, whatever. One more example I am showing you, students. Okay? Suppose there are two boys. Okay? Two boys. These are two boys. Okay? They are standing one place. They are standing in one place. Okay? And they have kept their hats or cap. Okay? There is a tree. Near the tree, they have put their put their caps. Okay? And these caps belongs to the boys. Okay? So, what you will say? What you will say? These are boys. These are boys. Okay? These are boys. And things belongs to them. How you will say? These are their caps. You will say these by pointing out. Okay? Pointing out, you will say these are their caps. Okay? So use of their, understand? Their means anything belongs to some peoples. Okay? Not any things. Some things belongs to some peoples. Okay? Not peoples only, all the living thing, cat, dog, everything. Okay? So their meaning belongs to. Their meaning belongs to. Okay? Understand? So these are boys, these are their caps. Understand? Now we are going to read page number 5050 of your Oxford book. What it is written? THEIR, there. There we will use it belongs to them. See the picture. Girls, these are girls. And see here, there is bag picture. Not one bag. Two bag means bags. So what it is? These are their bags. Means this belongs to them. So we will say these are their bags. Next picture see. These are boys. Okay. Next see the cycles. These are their cycles. Means boys are here and they have kept the cycle and it belongs to them. So we are saying these are their cycles. Okay. Next. These are men. These are men. And what the picture is? Picture of hats. What we will say? These are their hats. These are their hats. Okay. Next. These are dogs. Okay. These are their plates. Understand? These are their plates. Okay. So by reading this you have understand where we use THEIR there. When things belongs to some persons. Okay. We use THEIR there. Understand? Now come to our next part. See in your phonic book page number 68 we are going to read. That is words that end in D, G, N, P or T. Here G, D, P, N, T is in the middle. You have to match with them. Like first MUG mug, you have to that N in G match with G. B, bed, it will match with D. P, peg, it will match with G. P and pen, it will match with N. See the last letter. P, pet, T, ends in T, it will match with T. HEN, hen, ends in N, match with N. HOT, hot, it will match with T. HOP, hop, it will match with P. Then TOP, top, it will match with P. Then RED, red, it will match with D. Okay? Understand? So this page you have to read and do by yourself. Do the matching. You know the N word and read and match. Read and match. Okay? Now come to our next topic. Next topic is how to write small letter T. You have learned capital letter T. Now there will be small letter T. How? From the third line, you raise the line like this. Then bring it down like this and little curve it. Okay? And then in the second line you put a sleeping line. This become a small letter T. Again see, raise a line to the top line, then bring it down and just little curve. Then in the middle you put a what? Sleeping line, and it becomes small letter T. Again see, raise the line and put it down, and in the middle you draw one line. It become a small letter T. Become a small letter T. Okay? This is your small letter T. Small letter T. How to write? Small letter T. Understand? This you have to write in your cursive book. Here in your cursive book it is given. So write and practice it. One page you have to write by yourself. Okay? I have teach you THEI are there. Then words that N, D, G, N, T and cursive letter. So go through it and learn it. Today's teaching over, students. Thank you.